Hey there, and welcome to the Living in Scottsdale channel, a channel that's dedicated to bringing you useful content about living in Scottsdale, Arizona. My name is Mark with Cactus Mountain Properties, and I am a local real estate professional operating out of the Scottsdale area. Today I'm super excited to talk to you about why Scottsdale, Arizona might just be the best place to live. Whether you're looking to relocate or just curious about the area, this video is for you. First up, let's talk location. Scottsdale sits right next to Phoenix, giving you all the benefits of a big city without the hassle. You're looking at a blend of urban and suburban vibes here. Close enough to enjoy the nightlife of Phoenix, but far enough to have those peaceful, quiet evenings at home. And let's not forget, you're surrounded by some of the most stunning desert landscapes you'll ever see. Now, the weather. It's sunny about 330 days a year. That means you can pretty much say goodbye to those dreary rainy days. Yes, it gets hot in the summer, but hey, that's what pools and air conditioning are for, right? Plus, the winter months are absolutely perfect. Think 70 degrees and sunny. Ideal for outdoor activities like hiking, golfing, or just lounging by the pool. All right, let's dive into housing. Scottsdale offers everything from luxurious estates to charming suburban homes. Whether you're looking for a modern condo downtown or a sprawling ranch-style house in the outskirts, there's something for everyone. And the best part? The housing market here is thriving, but still more affordable compared to places like California. Now, neighborhoods. Scottsdale is divided into four main areas: South, Central, North, and Old Town. South Scottsdale is more affordable and great for first-time buyers. Central Scottsdale has some of the best schools and is perfect for families. And up north is where you find luxury, living with spacious homes and golf courses. And Old Town, it's the heart of Scottsdale with a vibrant art scene, shopping, and nightlife. Speaking of nightlife, let's talk fine dining. Scottsdale is a foodie's paradise. From upscale restaurants to hidden gems, the culinary scene here is top-notch. You can enjoy everything from gourmet burgers, fresh sushi, great steak, and don't even get me started on the local Mexican food. Trust me, you'll never run out of places to try. Finally, points of interest. Scottsdale is home to some incredible attractions. There's the McDowell Sonoran Preserve, a massive desert habitat perfect for hiking and biking. You've got the Scottsdale Museum of Contemporary Art, perfect for a culture fix. And let's not forget about the annual events like the Barrett-Jackson Auto Auction and the Scottsdale Arabian Horse Show. Always something exciting happening. Scottsdale is also home to the San Francisco Giants during the Cactus League spring training. Baseball fans can catch some exciting games right here. So there you have it, Scottsdale, Arizona. A perfect blend of great weather, diverse housing, wonderful neighborhoods, amazing food, and tons of activities. If you're considering a move, definitely put Scottsdale on your list. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Living in Scottsdale page for more awesome content every week. You can also schedule a meeting with me over Zoom, which can be found in the description. And as always, thanks for watching.